Thanks for tuning in to the first market update for 2021. We hope your new year's been off to a good start. Harry, can you tell us what happened in the markets in January?
Sure, David. We really had a mixed bag in January. A little bit of choppiness, of course. We had the broad-based U.S. market, Canadian market, and European market slightly off. We had the Asian market, which was positive. And of course, who can stop NASDAQ now? NASDAQ had another great month in January. David, what are the major headlines driving the markets in January?
Well, certainly COVID's still a headline grabber. Vaccination efforts and case counts and stuff continue to be top of mind for a lot of people. But there's a couple stocks that really popped in January, a couple less known names. GameStop is one that probably most people are familiar with, just if you pay attention to the news. That particular company is involved in retail trade of video games and consumer electronics. And that stock was up over 1,600% at one point there at the end of January. And basically, that company was really popular among retail traders who communicate on these online investing forums like Reddit. And they basically were aware that some of these major hedge funds had short positions against GameStop. And they sort of undermine those short positions by buying up shares and running the price up. And then ultimately the hedge funds lost billions of dollars because their short positions were ruined. And these retail investors were made millions of dollars, some of them, at least initially. And if they sold out, they made millions. But interestingly, we're a couple days into February now, and we're recording this market update for January. And those stock prices on GameStop and a couple of the other so-called Reddit bets have come crashing back down to earth here in the first couple days of February. So it's just an interesting reminder and useful reminder that when you speculate on these companies that do have poor fundamentals, and that's why these hedge funds were shorting them or betting against them in the short term, like they do have poor fundamentals. They haven't been performing well. And you can speculate in these things and make some money. But if you get in too late, you can really lose a lot of money too if you're not in from the outset. So just a good reminder that speculating is not something that we do with our clients' money, and it's not something that we recommend that you do with your money. But it's just a reminder that it's a bit of a dangerous game to play.
Yeah, that's a great point, David.
Do you think, with some of these share prices going crazy in particular companies, there's been some talk that, hey, maybe this is like bubble, it's like a bubble's forming. Do you think that's true, Harry? And where do you see the economy going from here?
Yeah, good question, David. I don't think it's true. I don't think that the market's overvalued. I think some of these speculative plays have made it feel like it was overvalued at points in time, but definitely I don't feel the market is overvalued. And as far as where we think the market is going to go, we still think there's a lot of positive drivers that are out there right now. I mean, the vaccine, it seems to be get distributed worldwide. The US right now has more people vaccinated than have actually caught the disease of COVID-19. We're seeing a lot of positive things, low interest rates. All of us are hoping and can't wait for our mortgages to renew because rates have gone down so much. So there's a lot of positive drivers out there that I think overall, and we haven't even talked about the Fed yet. I mean, the Fed is putting in trillions of dollars into the US market. I just think there's too many things that are out there that are positive for the market right now. And yeah, again, when you get some of these speculative plays, it may feel like the market, it may be getting into bubble-like symptoms. But definitely, in my opinion, we don't have a bubble. I think that we still are fair value based on all these different things that have happened and are going to happen in the future, David.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for tuning in to this market update. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give myself or Harry a call.
Stay safe.